Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm bringing you another quick and easy dish to make. And this is what's jumping in my pot today. Chicken Marsala. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. Heavy cream, I have in here salt and black pepper, thyme, masala wine, olive oil, minced garlic, fresh chopped parsley, chopped shallots, unsalted butter, chicken broth, all-purpose flour, baby bella mushrooms, and the chicken cutlets. Now let's get to making the chicken masala. I have a Ziploc bag here. I'm going to add the all-purpose flour to the bag, some salt and black pepper, and we're going to put the chicken cutlets in. We're going to zip up the bag and shake the flour mixture on the chicken. I have a skillet here. Turn it on medium high. We're going to add some olive oil to it. Some butter. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now that the butter and the oil have heated up, we're going to add the chicken cutlets. We're going to saute this up for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Now we're going to flip them to the next side. Let this cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. After they finish cooking, I'm going to take them out and put them in this bowl here. Now that the chicken has finished cooking, let's move on to the next part. We're going to have the mushrooms jump into the pan. We're going to saute them up for about 2 to 3 minutes. I just added the shallots and now the garlic. We're going to let this cook up for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now we're going to add some salt, some black pepper, some thyme. Going to mix this up. Now we're going to add the chicken broth. The masala wine. The heavy cream. Stir all this up. And we're going to add the chicken back in. And we're going to let this cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Here you have it, chicken masala. Enjoy. I'm serving this with mashed potatoes. You can serve it with spaghetti if you like, or roasted vegetable. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye. And don't forget to hit that like button.